Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn how to interface an LDR with the PIC18F452 microcontroller. The software for simulation is the Proteus. So now although the Proteus window is open, but still you need to click on File and then you need to click on New Project. Okay, so this is the new project. So we will write any name like Lima underscore 003 or any other name you want to write here. Then finish and our project is now opened. Now we need to go to the component mode and we will click on P, that is parts, and here we can take our microcontroller, that is PIC18F452 microcontroller. So this is our microcontroller. Okay, now after microcontroller we need to take our LDR and we will take this LDR with the light source. Okay, this is our LDR. As we know that LDR used to work on the principle of resistance variation is according to the light incident on it. Like when more light is being dropped on the LDR surface, its resistance used to get low. So this is our light source, so with the help of it we will drop the light. Now to give any sort of power to the LDR, we can take some DC input like this and we will write 5 volt here. The other end of the LDR must be connected with any of the digital pins of the what's called as the any digital pin of the microcontroller. And here in this case we have connected it with the D0 pin of the port B. Okay, now we will also take 1K resistor to use as the pull down, and this is the resistor. Rotate it clockwise and connect it here. This resistor is being used to pass the 0 to the RB0 pin, because source can provide 1 logic or 5 volt but cannot provide the 0 logic or ground. Okay, so this is our setup for the LDR. Now we will use one LED green color or any other animated one. Okay, we will use it with the pin number D0. Okay, now we will attach ground on the other side of the LED and like this. Okay, now this is our setup for circuit. Now we will go for the programming in micro C. Okay, so this is our window and here we need to write void main. This is the main function of our micro C. In void main we will declare a variable which is of the type unsigned integer. So this is a variable A. Also we need to do one thing, that we have port B as input, so we can just write like trace B is equal to 0xFF like this. Okay, so now our port B, the whole port B is considered, it will be initialized as the input port, so we can read any sort of signal coming on the pins of the port B. So this is our pin and trace D is equal to 0x00. Now D port, with this command the port D is now behave as output port because LED is connected with the port D. Okay, so we will also write one infinite loop, that is the while one. With the help of this while one, our code will execute again and again. but the code which is inside this parenthesis, the code above is not going to repeat again and again. These are just the initialization lines for the ports. So here in while one, we can write like if port b dot 0 is dot f0 is equal to 1, that if there is 1 on the port b pin 0, then we can write port d dot f0 is equal to 1. Then if there is one logic on the pin b0 of port b, then what we will do, or what the control will do, it will set pin 0 of port d as 1, and if is equal to 0, then this will be 0. So this is our code, just two if conditions. Okay, so we just need to run it. Okay, so we will save it, and here we will write like LDR underscore 00 0. We will save it out. Okay, now we will go to the proteus. We will one thing we just got missed, that we need to connect VCC or power source to the mclear pin. So okay, now double click on this microcontroller. We will click on this and we will search for our hex file. So this is G, here LDR underscore, this is our hex file. So we will, okay, now we can see that LED is off because there isn't any sort of signal on the P0 pin of the microcontroller. Okay, now we will make our LDR in light 10 and like this and this. Yeah, now you can see that when the LDR used to conduct properly, the signal becomes high and then LED becomes on. So with this simple circuit, you can make lie detector and dog detector as well. So this is very simple demonstration and simulation for the LDR with the PIC microcontroller. So hopefully you got the concept. Thanks for visiting our channel.